Hey Christopher, this is Diana. We spoke for a few minutes yesterday, and I guess I surprised you with my phone call. And I just wanted to let you know that, you know, I am Diana Soto, and the reasoning behind why I called you. I'm sending you out this video because I usually send this out as a platform to a lot of owners of vacant, houses, and basically I find that it's more convenient for you to look at this video at your own time. You must have been busy when I did call you. So I wanted to let you know that of course, that I am Diana Soto, and this is my business card, and this is my phone number. So I do work with Keller Williams Village Square Realty. Okay, and I am again, licensed real estate agent in the state of New Jersey. And again, this is my phone number, so you can call me at any time. And I just wanted to let you know why I reached out to you. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get into the Garden State MLS. And basically, this is a service where I subscribe to, in which agents have, and it gives me access to every property in the market in Passaic County, in Essex County, basically all the counties in New Jersey. And it also gives me access to tax reports. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pull your information. So you are in Essex County in the city of Orange. And I'm just going to type in your street, which is Ogden. And I'm just going to hit search. So there's 62 records. Okay. With the word Ogden in the city of Orange. So let's just look for yours, which is 285. Okay, so as you can see, I just clicked on 285 Ogden. I do apologize, my computer is a little slow. So as you can see, it does state your name, Christopher Williams and Brandy Williams. Okay, and again, I'm just reaching out to you because I do notice that the house is vacant, and was just wondering if you had any intentions with the property. Again, I specialize with vacant houses, and if you do want to, sell it, I can help you. If you want to fix it, I do know, a lot of professionals that can help you with that as well. Or if you want to refinance, I do know a lot of lenders again. So basically, again, the purpose of my call was to just basically help you. I just wouldn't want the property just to sit there, and you just don't know who's getting into your property, and what's, being done inside of it, and if there's trash, just getting collected, and whether in the front of the house or in the back of the house. And the last thing I would like for you to happen is, for you to get a summons from the city. It happened to me. One of my the buyers that I'm working with, they actually received a summons, and I'm helping them with the short sale, and we're just trying to help them get that alleviated. But I would hate for that to happen to you. This is why I'm calling you, so we can actually prevent this. Again, I'm here to help you, Christopher. Again, my name is Diana, and give me a call. Thank you so much.